Let me show you exactly what I do to create a video from start to finish. I want to show you how I script it out, how I practiced, how I set up the room. So let me show you everything that you need to know if you want to create your videos on your own, or you just want to get better with your speaking skills. Alright, the first thing you have to know is that I script everything out, not word by word, but I used to not do this before because I would just used to go and turn on the video and wing everything, believe it or not. But this is a very simple method, and let me just basically walk you through how I script things out, not word by word, but by bullet points and thoughts. So first, this is the video I want to make, the welcome video. As you can see, forget these trees. I make branches. So the very first thing I need to do is write a script. Then I need to set it up, record, and then edit. Now I want you to know, you have, again, if you are just freestyling right now, you can put random things right here, but later on you need to order it. So this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. And then of course, if I need to script, well, what do I need to do with my script? And I basically write out before this tree, right? Welcome, have the people introduce themselves, have access to my private training vault, go visit the webinar, and then I want them to imagine their future self. And of course, as you can see, now I'm breaking it down more of, okay, in the welcome, what do I want to say? X, Y, and Z. Now I didn't put these in branches because I just know what I need to say, but some of the times when I need to be on point, I put them out. But this is basically the strategy that I use, just not for video, but everything that I do in life. Okay, so I write out the first thing I have to do. Well, what's the next big things, and then I break it down smaller by smaller. That's basically my approach to creating videos, and also everything else that I do on my to-do list. Okay, we got the script written down. I know what I'm gonna say, or I think I know what I'm gonna say. Now the next part is really just setting up the room. So right now you can see there's a shadow on me because one, I gotta set up the light. Next, I gotta set up the background. As you can see, I'm gonna pull it down right now. Okay, we got the background set up. The next part is really just setting up the recording equipment. And what I use is something called a Stream Deck. As you can see, well, first let me show you the program. This is Streamlabs OBS. This is the recording. And then I use something called Stream Deck. And why is this useful? Because with the press of a button, I can change the screen setting, basically. And there we go. All I have to do now is press the record button, and I'm going to be recording the script and getting this video going. We got the script, we got the room set up. Now it's time to basically record. And I want to show you basically how I practice. And the very first thing you have to know is, usually I will do maybe 1 to 4 takes. The first take, I'm still getting used to what I have to say, so I know the first one is gonna be garbage. And then usually once I've said it enough, the second or third one, it just kicks in. Sometimes people, they worry about every single little word, but I want you to know, as the audience, they're not nitpicking every single word that you're saying. They're nitpicking the ideas that you have. So the ideas are sometimes more important than saying, oh, I said one or I said this one word. Just go with it. You have to be authentic. But you can just watch how I practice. I'm gonna just go for it. Welcome everyone to Overcome the Fear of Public Speaking Facebook group. Welcome everyone to the Overcome the Fear of Public Speaking Facebook group. Now you are in the right place if you are tired of having that speaking anxiety. Maybe you tried Toastmasters, maybe you tried other speaking solutions, maybe you even had a coach, but that speaking anxiety is still there. And I know for a fact that this is probably not your first time. There we go. I just finished recording videos. I started with scripting it. Then I set up the room. I recorded the videos. And then the last part is go edit the videos and then go put them out there. That's my process of how I create videos from start to finish. Now, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And you can also watch these other videos right here if you want to keep on stepping it up as a speaker.